Did you hear the conversation I just had?
Hindi ko sinasadyang narinig. You're Marian Briones. I hate you. You're a good role model. Top student. Most behaved. And golden conduct.
Alam mo, lagi ko na lang naririnig yan. While to be honest, mostly good in conduct, blah 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 blah. Sa totoo lang, nakaka-pressure ha. And you'd be surprised na how many people hate me.
Okay, no?
Thank you for helping me.
Bakit?
Marla, hindi ko tinignan yung photos.
Bakit? Ba't di mo tinignan?
Hindi ko kaya. Nirerespeto kita. Gusto kong marinig mo sa akin na talaga kita. Gusto kong pakita na mamahalin kita ako. Kung girlfriend kita.
Maray na.
Alam ko. Kung lang naman.